Hello all. So it's been a little bit of a camera hunting day unintentionally, but I happen to have picked up this rather lovely 1929-ish Soho Pilot. All this is Bakelite. It's in immaculate condition for Bakelite. There's no chips on it, and you open it up by pushing this trigger here, revealing the lens. You can see in there, and then you grab these clips and there's the bellows. So I've only given a really quick clean on this. So there's a time mode up here where you would open that up and it keeps the front of the lens open, and then you do it again to close it. And then there's another position which I'm not sure on the shutter speed on that. It might be a 60th of a second, and this I've cleaned. So to open this up, you pull this clip and there we go, and that reveals. So 120 film this is taking. There's the back, you might be able to see the red there to be able to see your film numbers. And we're going to load some, or attempt to load some film into this. So I'm just going to press this button, push that back in, close it up, and I think this is spring loaded, so I'm gathering that the film just lays in this and then the back pushes it down, but we'll see. So I've got some black and white Kodak film. Okay, so I'm going to feed this part into here first, down there, just so I know that I'm properly latched on. That's there. Bring that back. Okay, so we're going to wind this on, and I don't know if you'll be able to see as we're winding the film on through this little red window here. Hopefully we'll see. Oh yeah, there we go. Can you see that arrow? Kodak. So following Kodak, it should come up with number 1. There's our first frame ready to go, and we're ready to shoot and test the Soho Pilot. Okay, so I've come out for a little wander. I've got the Soho Pilot filled up with the 400 speed Kodak Tri-X, which you can buy from Not Quite North. It's my local and my favourite analog film shop, as well as you can buy all the film from there. So I really love those guys. So, and you've got to support these independents as much as possible. But let's go and see what this can do. And I'm just going to walk along the riverside and see what it's about. I've no idea what the aperture is on this camera. Probably something between f11 and 16, and the shutter speed I'm not sure, so we'll see. But the light's pretty good, as you can see, so I'll try and do a little bit in shade as well as in the sunlight as well.